Have you ever seen a flower that rises pure and beautiful, even from mud? That's the magic of lotus, a symbol of purity, strength, and peace across centuries. But did you know this beautiful flower can also bring real profit to your farm? Today, we are diving into the serene world of lotus farming, where beauty meets business. Hello and welcome back to Discover Agriculture. If you're new here, we share practical, authentic farming insights to help farmers grow smarter and live better. In this video, you'll learn how to grow lotus successfully, whether for aesthetic beauty, food, or medicine. So, let's begin this peaceful journey together. The lotus, scientifically known as Nelumbo nucifera, isn't just a flower. It's a story of resilience. It thrives in muddy water, yet blooms bright and clean, a lesson from nature itself. From temple rituals to herbal teas, the lotus has deep roots in our culture and economy. Lotus loves warmth and sunshine. 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is perfect. It prefers nutrient-rich clay or loamy soil submerged in 15 to 30 centimeters of clean water. Think of it as creating a small, peaceful pond where life thrives naturally. And yes, more sunlight means more blooms. Lotus grows from tubers, those stubby root-like parts. Gently place them horizontally in the mud with a shallow layer of water. Avoid breaking the tubers, they are delicate. If you're growing in containers, choose a wide, shallow pot and let the water rise just above the soil. Keep your pond water still, not flowing. Too much movement can stress the plants. Feed them monthly with organic fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Avoid harsh chemicals, they'll harm aquatic life. If pests like aphids or snails appear, neem oil spray is your best friend. Here's where your patience pays off. When the flowers fully bloom, harvest them early morning for best freshness. After blooming, collect the seed pods for lotus nuts. Tasty and healthy. And don't forget the lotus roots, packed with nutrients and love in Asian cuisine. Every part of this plant has a purpose, and that's the enchanting journey of lotus farming. Peaceful, profitable, and profoundly beautiful. Whether you grow it for its elegance or its earnings, lotus truly rewards patience and care. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your farming friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more authentic farming stories and practical guides. Until next time, keep growing, keep discovering.